Everyone. In this video, I'm going to be diving into the age-old debate: college football 25 or NCAA football 14. So, which game is really worth your time? So, we've gathered some opinions from forums to see how these two stack up against each other. So, let's dive right into it. So, first up, NCAA 14 has been a fan favorite for years. One user mentions they've been playing for over a decade and plan to continue. So it's clear that NCAA 14 is still a go-to for many, and especially with its customizable features and immersive dynasty mode. People love that it's packed with depth from Road to Glory to classic ESPN presentation. Now, one of the key reasons NCAA 14 stands out is its customization. You can upload roosters online, and even tweak your teams. Users mentioned how easy it is to get roosters for Xbox 360 or PS3 without the need for Xbox Live. So let me open the forum from EA. So all you need is an internet connection and you're set for another year of college football fun. So now let's talk about college football 25. It's got the flashy graphics, alright, and updated presentation, but doesn't live up to the hype. A lot of users agree the visuals are stunning, but when it comes to gameplay, some say it's not as fun as the NCAA 14, and some players feel the gameplay is kind of slow and clunky with issues like unrefined controls and repetitive commentary. One comment even mentioned how after the first few games the novelty wears off and you are left wishing for the more polished immersive experience of this NCAA 14. Alright, so and another big win for NCAA 14 is its attention to detail. From the ESPN magazine to the trophy room, the game's immersion is on another level. And just see how many it's has sold. Like there are many ratings, and you can easily find it on cheaper on Amazon. Like some are very cheap, as you can see here. So that's it. College Football 25 isn't uh, all bad, but the graphics is certainly better, but not the gameplay. You can check out more gameplay footage on YouTube and see how it works. So EA being EA, there's not much I can tell about them, but one thing is sure, if you want to have really fun, and then you need to play this one again. Its graphics and depth in Dynasty Recruiting have received praise. In here, I was talking about this, but well, that's where it falls short for many fans. So here's an interesting thought. Some players, actually I've seen in Reddit, even opt for a NCA revamped a mod for NCA 14. Why? Because it offers fresh updates and gameplay while still holding on to the classic NCA 14 feel. For some, it's the perfect middle ground, even better than the college football 25 in terms of overall fun. So, which game wins? Well, it depends on what you're looking for. If you prefer graphics, high-end graphics actually, then go with college football 25. But if you really want to have fun, and the NCAA 14 still holds up as the greatest of all time for many. So, what do you think? Let me know in your thoughts in the comments.